Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel. Mail call. Got a show shout out I want to share with you for tomorrow. A couple of shop cards that came in and an anonymous gift and a little something for the stash. Stick around. First up, guys, I want to do the show shout out. Originally, Amanda and I were going to be at this, but we had other obligation that had popped up with our business, so well. But anyway, this is hosted by the Appalachian Scale Modelers Association, IPMS Club, Head for the Highlands. And this is tomorrow, October 7th, at the, you can pause right there, Greenville Recreation Center in Greenville, Tennessee. And if you are in that area, this is going to be a good show because you've got, as it says here, you've got the contest, show, awards, vendors, raffle. Vendors are always fun, but the big thing is great fun and great fellowship. You want to see some great builds of all kinds of models. These are great shows. They really are. And it's from 9 to 4, and then there's your categories. So you've got aircraft, armor, automotive, good many automotive categories there too. Display, ships, miscellaneous, and then there's your awards. Cool stuff. But I want to give a shout out to Trey and John who invited us to come up to this. And guys, I'm sorry we're not going to be able to make it this time, but I'm going to make it up to you. I promise. But if you are in the area, head over and check it out. You'll have a good time. And hey, when you hit the vendors, you never know what you're going to find. Next up, I want to share this from Chris. Go over to www.sprue.xyz and check this out. Where it says down here, model kit, family, histories, and reference material. This is the ultimate. The first thing up since the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators group build is the 55 Ford pickup or panel. The entire history, every one of those that's ever been made, the sprue breakdowns, I mean the history of the kits. This is a great reference channel. Great reference channel. You're not going to believe some of the stuff. I mean, check out some of these old kits on here. The histories and all of the goodies about them. Great stuff. Chris, thank you very much for this. Guys, seriously, go over and take a look. And I don't know if you can scan a QR code on your screen, but if you can, if I can keep it in focus, give it a try. Great page. Next up, this is from Paul, Bella, Paul, and George, and this is Left Coast Model Car Bills, and this is a great channel. The last video, he's got some 60, 61, and I'm talking what looks like they're pretty mint boxes, 2 issues of AMT, the old kits, almost like promos. Absolutely love this kind of stuff, though. Awesome builds, great builder, just a great channel. It's a fun channel, and that's again what it's all about. And great history here too. So Paul, again, thank you, sir, for the very nice words, and thank you for what you do for our community as well. Appreciate that. Next up, got this in the mail, little street sign, Barracuda Drive. And it's already been taken away from me. I had to kind of get it back from Amanda. This came in the mail this week, and there was no return address, no name. We couldn't find anything as to who sent it. There was no note inside the envelope that I saw anyway. So this was kind of an anonymous thing, Barracuda Drive. And if you remember, let me back off here a little bit. Amanda's all-time favorite car was her high school car, which is it needs to be restored, but I built her a replica of her 69 Barracuda Coupe, and as you see here, just a fun car. and this is on the mantle. But this is going in her hobby room, above all of her sewing machines and all that stuff, with her other collector stuff in there too. But she loved it. Whoever sent it, thank you, thank you. This is awesome. I told her I was going to put it up. If you remember, I had someone give me this at a show. I told her I would put it over here beside that one. And she said, oh, no, you won't. So Barracuda Drive is going in her hobby room. But again, thank you so much. We really appreciate this. This was very kind, very kind. And lastly, guys, was over at Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies and could not walk out. I said, what's new? And Doreen said, oh, the 34. So, boom, the AMT 34 Ford. And you know what? I thought about this in white. Check out these black with the gold around the flames. I thought, ooh, how cool would that be? And I may be wrong, but AMT's got where they're doing some much better decals, and not only is the quality better, but there's such a variety in these reissues of these kits too. Of course, you know your info. We'll do a box opening on this another time. 383. Really cool stuff. 50 Mercury chrome wheels. Wide custom tires. Gotta love a 34. Okay, guys. Well, that's it. Appreciate you guys. Head over to HobbyNut Models. Check out the inventory there. If you need any tools, new kits, new release stuff, check out Mark's inventory. Great stuff. Guys, we appreciate you. Hope to see many of you in Atlanta coming up in about 3 weeks. God bless. See you in the next video. Thanks, guys.